Dialogue.
Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
Hello viewers, how on a day? Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and let's go there. Still on US election 2020, China refuses to recognize Joe Biden. US election 2020, China declines to acknowledge Biden's victory. As at Monday 9th of November 2020, China is yet to congratulate Joe Biden as the winner of the US presidential election, saying the outcome of the votes was still to be determined. To China, it is not yet over. Let's not make mistake. What if we congratulate Biden and the Supreme Court upturns this victory? Trump could further clamp down on us through his foreign policies. Let's just keep calm and watch things. Let's wait like many Nigerian hopefuls who believe Trump was robbed and can get judgment soon. You know, a prophet said before 30th of November, we shall see the hand of God, that Trump is going to do another 4 years. You know, this election is very key to many in the prophecy circle. To a lot of these people, God is using Trump to hold back the evil days, the real end times, and as such, he must continue because God is not yet ready for those times to come. This set of people also believes another person on that seat from January 2021 would mean the Antichrist is near. Well, for some, the word continues. Nothing much. COVID-19 is the issue now, and Biden could handle it better. I think the pandemic had impact on the US election 2020. The world is in a trying times and people want quick solution, and their feelings about it affects their participation in politics, especially elections. I am talking about countries like US where votes at least counts to an extent. So while the incumbent Donald Trump has yet to concede and has launched several legal challenges, many world leaders congratulated Biden and running mate Kamala Harris after the Democrats were declared winners at the weekend, and spontaneous celebrations erupted across American cities. But China is being careful. China is being careful. Topo agwom foronoz agomeke. Trump's 4 years in White House had been marked by a costly trade war and increasingly icy relationship with China, with the two powers sparring over areas from blame for the COVID-19 pandemic to Beijing's human rights record in Xinjiang and Hong Kong. You remember Trump saying in several interviews, "It is Chinese virus." Hey. Conspiracy theorists didn't also help matters. China, among a handful of major countries including Russia and Mexico, that has not congratulated the president-elect, said Monday it had noticed that Mr. Biden declared he is the winner of the election. So it's not only China, Russia, and Mexico. They are waiting for the final outcome because of the legal battles that are before the final outcome. So they are being careful when other countries are going already to congratulates Biden. Our understanding is that the outcome of the election will be determined in accordance with U.S. laws and procedures, Foreign Ministry spokesman Wang Wenbin told press at a regular briefing. After declining to acknowledge Biden's victory despite repeated questions from reporters, Wang said, "We hope the new U.S. government can meet China halfway." Like you already know, Trump has refused to concede defeat. And in a tweet, he complained, that was a tweet on Sunday, he said, "Since when does the lamestream media call who our next president will be?" According to him, Biden is jubilating already and having making plans for how, both including plans for inauguration and, beyond inauguration, how to lead America. And according to Trump, the result that were announced were like from the mainstream media. I say lamestream. They are the ones announcing the results. The mainstream media in America and Trump, their way. So according to Trump, the result we had is from them. Let's wait for the outcome of the Supreme Court and the final declaration of who leads America from January 2021 for another 4 years. Many media houses are saying already, Biden is it. They're even already discussing how Biden will react to several policies of Trump. So for many media companies, especially in US, the Trump era is almost done. They are not seeing anything coming out from the legal hurdles that will soon follow. That has followed immediately because Trump has launched a legal campaign. So they are not seeing it that way. They believe Trump is gone. Trump faced a lot of troubles right from the day he won the first time. That was in 2016. There were protests opposing the result, opposing him. At first, they will oppose him. They don't want a lot of, protests, as if these protests will continue to the end of his tenure. After the protest, they launched campaign against him, saying Russia interfered with U.S. election. This went on and continued. Before you know, they said he plotted against Biden. He told a company or so. He went to one of these Soviet breakaway country. What is it called? He asked them to probe Biden. So several cases here and there. And Trump was even impeached. They impeached Trump for that. And we had no American president that has been impeached that has been able to make it to another term. And Trump followed in that line again. Meanwhile, we are waiting for the final result to know if history is repeating itself again, that no American president impeached in office has been able to still come back for a second term. So we are waiting for the outcome of the Supreme Court and the legal tussles, their decisions. Then, according to China, that is what we are waiting for, and probably Russia too, and Mexico and several other countries, because I don't believe all the countries have wished him, have congratulated Biden. A lot of countries will be waiting for that. Some are quick to congratulate him. They believe nothing can be done. Let's work. I even had Israel congratulated him. So that is it. Please add your comments on the comment section of this YouTube. Tell us what you think about the current situation. Also share this video, subscribe if you haven't, and also click on the bell icon to get our updates. I'm Azuka OJ. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.